Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Last week you have already read the story and I have discussed also tick the correct option and first questions. Again I am discussing number B. Question number B1, that what did Roel dream of doing? Roel and Tanmoy are best friends and Roel's dream of doing is the part with a basketball team. So he can play as a part of the basketball team. So Roel dreamt that one day he would play basketball with Tanmoy in their team. Number 2. So how did Tanmoy know that Roel was skilled enough to play friendly matches? Because always whenever Tanmoy was playing, Roel passed the ball from his wheelchair and he was enjoying that. He can pass the ball, he can catch the ball, all these things. So he knew it very well. So Tanmoy knew it by seeing that Roel could pass, and catch the ball. From his wheelchair. So he knew it very well. So number 3. Do you think Tanmoy was right to support Roel? And give reason for your answer. Actually, it is your thinking. You can write also. So number 3, I can tell you that yes, I think Tanmoy was right. Tanmoy was right because he should always support and to his friend, and not only that, he played basketball very well. So your answer you can write. I am giving that reason that Tanmoy should help his friends very nicely because he loved his friend. He knows Roel is a very skilled player. So all these things, this reason, whatever you think, you will write. Next, the relate, that choose the best option, draw a smiley. So number 1, Sam has only one hand. You know that here, that moral I have told also in the first day. Moral is that always you have to solve the problem by thinking it. And here, Sam has only one hand. He goes to school in your bus and difficulty in the boarding the bus. What would you do? If you are having some problem, and I have seen that most of the students, you are always helping your friends whenever you are in the school. And most of your friends, if you are having any problem, also your friends has any problem, you are always ready to help. And Sam has only one hand, so what will you do? I would board the bus and start talking to my friends. I would help Sam board the bus. So number B, we can draw smiley. So number 2, that what friends, your friends are making fun of your classmate Manisha's old and faded uniform. What would you do? I would join in the fun. I would stand up for Monisha and stop the others making of other. So number B also, here we can draw a smile. Number 3, Alok speaks with his stutter. Stutter means stammering. The teacher tells him to read aloud in class so that he becomes more confident. What would you do? I would snicker and make rude remarks time each he stuttered. I would be silent and listen to him patiently. Later on, I would praise him for his reading. So number B, obviously, always we should help. Number 3, also B, draw smiley. Number 4, during a practice session for your school play, you find that Vivek is standing in a corner watching everyone else practice. You know Vivek cannot hear properly and uses hearing aid. So would you ask him to be a part of your play? Yes, I would. You just need to practice little harder to help Vivek. No, I would not. So obviously I would. Number A, 4, also number A, we can draw smiley. After that, color the pictures. Talk about the differences you notice. Obviously, difference, you can see that here they are doing exercises. Here he is not able to walk properly. So she is helping him. Here also, one car is coming, one cycle is there. So how they will go, how they will pass, you know already the safety rules. Next one, another one is doing the computer and someone is like your parents, somebody is doing the work and somebody is helping them to make the tea. So that is your cooperation. And next, create. Being a different is good, but make booklet title it's right to be different. The first 4 pages have done for you. Copy these pages and 4 more to be booklet. Like this 4, it is all right to have some teeth missing. It is all right to be different color. It's all right to wear glasses. It's all right to be adopted. So you can, whenever you are having free time or leisure time, that time you can make it like this. And also this 4 more to the booklet, that you will be very happy, you will be enjoying to do this. Make friends with specially able child. What will you learn from this chapter? Everyone is good at something. Praise them for it. Next, look for the good qualities in people and respect them for choose. Respect them for those. Everyone is equal. Treat everyone with respect. Obviously, this last one is very important. If you are having friend or not, but you should respect everyone. And next, look at the images and different tick the correct answer. Whatever use greater than, that is your math work. That also you should do in your home. Try to do. So 58 is more than this. I think this one obviously greater than. Next one, it is equal to. And this one also greater than. After first 42, it is greater than 9 into 4. 13.5 is greater than 1.35. 72 by divided by 12, it is equal to 6. So I have told you, please do this in your home. So I think you have enjoyed the class. Please tell me if you are having any problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Remember it.